King Piers out here in Little Mexico. Just kidding. Kansas City, 64109 area. I told my guys to go get some plywood and let's cover that studded wall up. It had old rotted paneling on there. This room's totally been transformed. We got to clean it since we poured the concrete floor. Tomorrow morning, all the floors are done. Walls are done. That section right there, let me dry a little bit. We're going to go in there and rub on it some more. Tomorrow morning, we're going to come in here and finish this and this section here. And then Monday, we'll come back and paint and put in a sump pump right over there, right there in the corner. So stay with me. King Piers, we're just about done. Totally transformed this basement. Wait till the walls are painted. It'll be absolutely gorgeous. Very proud of the work we've done for all your foundation repair needs. Whether it's repairing your house, straightening a wall, doing a stone foundation renovation like this, replacing your floors, give us a call. 816-521-8915. This is going to be a cool little man cave. Best of the best. Walking down the stairs right there, folks. All Americans. That's the All-American King Piers team right there. Every one of these men from Mexico. Been with me about 14 years. Except the young kid right there. A couple years. KingPiers.com.